my god! Hold up. We actually got the. They actually got it to fly. I think there's a. Yeah. There are a lot of bugs outside. And that's a tick. I've got a lot of people's faces in this video. Oh my. Bye. I think it's not taking off. I think it's some rat hanger at this. Oh, it's actually this one. Oh. You look like you love. Oh. It actually look. That thing is never gonna fly. Oh my, a bird. A bird. Oh my. It's actually gonna go. Bro, better not stop last a second.
So I think, see the bit at the front, I think that's an aerial, so it helps you see where you're going. Maybe it's like a camera type thing.
Okay. An aerial at the front. What's that at the front there?
That's what I'm saying, see the wee grey thing and the white thing?
Yeah.
I think that's like an aerial type thing.
I think they're both aerials. Different types of aerials.
Oh, is it going to go?
It's
very promising. Oh.
My dad and mom is gonna home with
Oh, it's maybe going to go.